Today we're looking at traditional Christmas foods. We're looking at foods that are eaten by most people in the UK at Christmas time. Hello again, my name's Margaret. We're looking at the theme of Christmas. For your dinner, you will have roast turkey. If you're a vegetarian, you would have a meatloaf, which is lots of vegetables made into the shape of a bread. Or you could have roast goose. So it's usually a bird. It's usually a bird that you would have at Christmas, a special bird. Some people have turkey. Some people have goose. We have turkey as our family. Then you have these, they're called pigs in blankets. They're called pigs in blankets because it's the sausage wrapped in the blanket. That's the bacon that comes from the pig. The blanket is the bacon that comes from the pig. And they are done in the oven, baked, and they are put into a fryer just to get them nice and crispy. They're only eaten at Christmas, pigs in blankets. Next is one of my favourites. They are Brussels sprouts. So that's a really nice vegetable, and you boil them, and you usually have them at Christmas time. Other people have them quite often with their dinner, but generally in England, it's just at the Christmas time we have sprouts. Another vegetable that we have at dinner time is roasted parsnip. So that's another root vegetable, and it's got a very, very nice taste. You normally pour honey over it just to make it like that bit sweeter. That's a nice honey glazed roasted parsnips. So once you've had your dinner, you get down to watch the TV, and then you start to think, oh, I'd like a snack. What am I going to snack on? First thing you can snack on is lots of nuts. Christmas nuts. Then you could have a Christmas pudding. Now, Christmas pudding is a very sweet dessert made with lots of dried fruits. It's usually eaten after Christmas dinner, but many people are just so full, they use the Christmas pudding as like a later snack later on. It's poured over with custard. It's set aflame using alcohol. So that's Christmas pudding. Another dessert you could have, and that's one of my favourites, and I have these every Christmas, they are sweet mince pies. Now, mince pies in general is made of mince, meat. But if you have sweet mince pies, and they're usually eaten at Christmas, they are made with a mixture of spices and suet and dried fruit, and then put into a case of pastry with a decorative star of pastry on the top, with flour sprinkled on the top of those. They are traditionally served during Christmas time in most English-speaking world. Dates, just dried fruit. Dried fruit, and you can see there some people have got honey with a little bit of cream on top. So yeah, dried fruits, just dates. Candy cane. Candy cane. My Christmas tree at the moment is decorated with candy canes, and we have one every day during Christmas, and it is a candy cane stick. Usually has red, green and white stripes all around, and it's a peppermint flavour, but it comes in a variety of colours. Some are just red and white, but traditionally because of Christmas it's green, red and white because of the colour of Santa Claus that was. He started up as green and then he changed to red and white. That's why we still got the green. Christmas cookies, they are made during Christmas Eve, or I make mine during Christmas Eve, and you can make them with different Christmas characters as the Christmas elf, Christmas fairy, Christmas tree, the Christmas star, just Christmas cookies, and decorate them the way you like. A gingerbread house. I'm not a particularly lover of these. I don't really like them. They're too sweet for me. It's a novelty confectionery, so it's a novelty sweet thing, shaped like a building. It's all made of cookie dough, and it's baked into the appropriate parts like walls and roofs. And usually the base material is the crisp gingerbread, so hence the name, a gingerbread house. And you can see there it's got a Christmas tree and Santa Claus decorative candy there on it. Okay, drinking time now. Christmas time, you have a lot of special different drinks. Eggnog. Eggnog is the first one. It's known as egg milk punch. So when you've got a punch, you usually have alcohol beverages inside. So there's a lot of alcohol in eggnog. And it's a rich, chilled, sweetened dairy-based beverage. It's made with milk, cream, sugar, egg yolks and whipped egg whites. And you can see there on this one it's got a nice bit of cream on top. So that's eggnog. I don't like that, but I do like eggs. This is one I do like. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is made with chocolate and milk. Very, very nice and warm. At Christmas time, this beverage is decorated with candy canes and green and white sprinkles with lots of whipped cream on the top. It's nice because in England during Christmas time and winter, it's very, very cold. So hot chocolate is a nice drink to have for this period of time, winter. Mulled wine. This is one for the adults of us. Mulled wine, also known as spiced wine because of all the spices it's made from. It's a mixture of red wine and lots of spices, sometimes raisins as well as in there. It's served hot or warm, and it's a traditional drink again, drank during the winter time. It's just for the adults. It's really nice and warm. It's got some alcohol in there. The children usually have the hot chocolate. So that was our foods and drinks at Christmas time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give my video a like, and I will be back very, very soon with another Christmas